Welcome to double check, one of the most powerful tactic in chess. The beauty of a double check is that even though each individual piece that's giving a check could actually be vulnerable and under attack, it cannot be affected at all thanks to the idea that two different pieces are giving a check and the king needs to defend against both checks, which is impossible by capturing. The only way of escaping a check when it's a double check is for the king to move. Let's take a simple example here. All you have to do is use the discovered check that we used last time, but this time it's also a double check. Therefore, the king needs to move and you have a checkmate in the next move. Again, please try these on your Lichess account and come back in the video and be able to see all the solution as I've solved it. Exercise number 1. The key here is to bring in many motifs, but the most important one is sacrificing the queen and use the knight for a double check and then use the rook to finish the game with a checkmate. Puzzle number 2. Again, sacrifice your queen and use a double check and get your rook to wrap up the game. Double check number 3. Can you find the solution here? Slightly trickier one. Sacrifice your queen, and when he does take it, you capture back as a queen. And when he does take it, you do a double check. And it's a checkmate because he can't come here thanks to the bishop, and even though he would love to capture it, he can't do that because of the rook. It is a wonderful, wonderful puzzle. Double check number 4. The queen is attacking the king. All you need to do is use it and find a double check. And when he takes it, you give another check. And when he moves, pawn moves forward. Yes, pawn captures, knight checkmate. And the game's over. Double check number 5. How do you go about doing this? Start off with the check here. And when he moves there, you have a double check. And when he does move here, you could do a skewer. Check. When he does move there, capture that, and you're pretty much in a winning position. Double bishops with the possible move of a pawn moving here and getting the rook as well, right? That's the power of double checks. Checks where the king needs to move just like a check with the knight, and that gives a huge advantage for the side that's able to find these moves. All right, thank you so much. Please rate the puzzles in terms of how your learning was, and quickly leave a single sentence about what is your definition of a double check. Thank you so much.